Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your girl, Saved Makoti, also known as Mrs. Fanny. Today we are having a photo shoot. We are releasing a new dress, Mussah Fashion Design. So I'm here to do my makeup by Sissy Pearl. Say hi, Sissy Pearl. So yeah, I'm here, guys. Let me do the face and then so I'm doing. But we're going to do two dresses, blue and brown. So yeah, let's do makeup here, guys. I will understand what I got makeup, but it's fine. Hey guys, I'm now home. I came to fetch my sister. So for Tongo, yes. So okay, yeah. Ooh.
Hi, Elsa.
Hi, Samsung.
Outfit is beautiful.
Can you come and greet? Can you come and greet my people?
Please. Oh, yes, please. Okay. Hi, guys.
Hello. Hey, my so pretty. How are you?
Oh, wow.
Don't kiss me
good.
because you're
I'm good. How
really close.
are you? No, but this makeup is so beautiful. I've got gloss on and what you call? Lipstick. Nani?
And why are you wearing my Makoti shoes? Why are you wearing my Kosolo
shoes?
Why are you wearing
Don't have Kosolo.
John, I'm so don't get him young or I left because also to bang Makoti, Tom.
But Chomi is right to sit down about Makoti. This Kosolo. These are my favorite shoes. Let's go. I packed everything.
Okay, Masamik.
Almost Hampshire.
Shoot, guys.
Give me love.
Hi, sorry. Why not the bang?
We must wait. Hi. Good to see you. Oh man, come here. I missed you.
Come and do me. Hi, my friend. Hi, my friend. How are you?
information, please?
Hi guys.
I think it's.
Hey guys, we are now here at Ivory and Gaps. Yeah, we are now here.
Oh, I think
We're just gonna take pictures on that spot. Let me show you. We are here. And the designer.
The designer.
And the designer.
Oh, the designer.
Please show the designer.
Now that we are here, please tell us, how do you feel that you have finally released the famous December dress? Please let us know, because
it's very difficult things to do. As you know, I'm trying all my best to make sure that our Makoti is beautiful and unique and hot.
Okay.
So I'm trying to bring this new design to change the thinking of people, not copyright.
Okay.
I take more than 3 weeks drawing and designing this beautiful dress you can see now. But people take as a joke or just to copy something like that. But I'm telling you, this is very beautiful dress and you can't find anywhere.
Yeah. I can tell it's very unique.
You can't find anywhere. This is the original. You have a detail of this dress. You
A
can
detail.
see in a video.
Okay. I want to see the detail.
Very beautiful.
Okay.
Dress. Very well. This is the last dress I did in this 2023. And
Okay.
I thought this is the best ever 2023. Now it's time.
Best ever.
You will marvel, to shine, to
Okay.
enjoy. This December is for you.
Yeah. And the bang Makoti. The bang Makoti.
Hello everyone. When Musa told me that he's going to use cream and brown, I immediately thought of this brown, beautiful stuff, doek, that will go with this lining. That will not be too much. We don't want something that is too much. So we just wanted something to just complement this dress. As you can see, they complement each other very well. So,
Okay. So where can we find you? Like, are you available on in any social media platforms and stuff?
Okay, you can find me on Instagram and Save Makoti, Save_Makoti, and then on TikTok it's Save Makoti.
Okay, are you maybe on YouTube?
You're here, Save Makoti.
Alright, otherwise you're beautiful.
Thank you, Mama.
guys.
Hey everybody, yeah. We have come to the end of our vlog. If you are new here, please subscribe, like, and comment. So welcome to the fam.
Oh yeah, please share the videos as well.
Yes.
And yeah, signing out from my sister and I.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. I hope you enjoy it. So yeah, guys, we are at Spa Hut. We are signing out. So yeah, but I'm still beautiful. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Is it me? Guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for liking, for commenting, for supporting me, for watching the videos. And don't skip those ads, please. Thank you so much.
We hope you stay.